Today we are going to be replacing the engine filter on this 2016 Mazda CX5. And the first thing I am going to do is remove these clips back. 1, 2. I removed this wire out of here. You don't have to remove it. I removed it because I want to show you right inside. The air box has 3 clips that holds the box. 1, 2, 3. And those slide in to the on the box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick this up, the top of the box, and we're gonna go towards us, and then we're gonna raise it up, and we're gonna see the filter and replace it. So we're gonna go towards me. And once you do that, you're gonna pick it up. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Let's see. Let me see if I can take out this filter with one hand. There it goes. There goes the new one. Hopefully I can, let me put it here first. And remember, this part goes down. It's a little hard because I'm doing it with one hand. And all you want to make sure that it goes down. Now that it's nice and flat, you're going to put the top box in these little holes here. So you're going to bring it down slowly. Once they're in, the box is down, you're going to bring this clips back up. Once you put that clip there, you have replaced your engine filter on your 2016 Mazda CX5. Later.